2024-25 football season was one for the ages. From historic wins to personal triumph, these are the 10 epic moments that defined this unforgettable year in football. Number 10. Lamine Yamal's meteoric rise. At just 17, Lamine Yamal burst into the scene, breaking into Barcelona's first team and leading Spain to Euro 2024 glory. His fearless creativity and maturity stunned fans and experts alike. Coaches praised his tactical awareness and ability to read the game beyond his years. His hand behind Barcelona's success this season. His breakout season wasn't just about talent, it was a beacon of hope for future football, inspiring young players and around the world to dream big. Number 9. Ronaldo's 900 career goal. Cristiano Ronaldo's 900 career goal, scored at the 40 in a Nations League match against Croatia, was a testament to his incredible longevity and relentless drive. Beyond the numbers, it symbolized decades of hard work, sacrifice, and determination. After the goal, Ronaldo's emotional celebration resonated globally, reminding everyone why he is considered one of the greatest ever. His influence extends off the pitch, inspiring millions to keep pushing boundaries. Number 8. Rodri wins the Ballon d'Or. Rodri Ballon d'Or's victory celebrated the power of consistency and intelligence, dominating midfield for Manchester City and Spain. His quiet control and tactical mastery defined the season. Football pundits hailed his ability to break up opposition's attacks and launch his team forward with precision. Rodri's win was a refreshing reminder that football brilliance doesn't always have to dazzle with flair. Sometimes it's about mastering the art of control and timing. Number 7. PSG finally conquered Europe. Paris Saint-Germain ended years of heartbreak with Desiree Doué starting. PSG's victory symbolized a new era built on teamwork, discipline, and unyielding ambition. Number 6. Barcelona vs Inter, a Champions League semi-final classic. This 13-goal thriller between Barcelona and Inter Milan was pure football drama. A 3-3 draw in Spain set up a 4-3 extra-time win for Inter. In Italy, the match featured moments of brilliance from both sides, incredible goals, tactical shift, and heroic saves. Players described the game as physically and mentally exhausting yet exhilarating. A true test of endurance and willpower. Fans will remember this epic battle for years to come. Number 5. Harry Kane wins his first major trophy, Bundesliga title. After years of near misses, Harry Kane finally lifted his first major trophy with Bayern Munich's Bundesliga title. Scoring 26 goals and leading by example, Kane's prevences paid off. His teammates praised his leadership and ability to inspire the squad during challenging moments. The win not only marked a personal milestone but also cemented Kane's legacy as one of the modern greats who never gave up on his dreams. Number 4. Manchester United vs Lyon, Europa League quarter-final epic comeback. One of the season's most thrilling games was Manchester United's 5-4 extra-time win over Lyon. Down 4-2 in extra time, United staged an incredible comeback with goals from Bruno Fernandes, Kobbie Mainoo, and last gasp winner by Harry Maguire. Players called it a match that tested their spirit and unity, while fans hailed it as a reminder of football's magic and unpredictability. The atmosphere at Old Trafford that night was electric, a true celebration of never giving up. Number 3. Crystal Palace FA Cup miracle. Crystal Palace's stunning 1-0 victory over Manchester City in the FA Cup final ended a 119-year trophy drought. Eze's solo goal was a masterpiece and a symbol of hope, proving that with heart and belief, anything is possible. The manager's tactical masterclass and the team's discipline defending frustrating City's star-studded lineup. For Palace fans, the victory was more than a trophy, it was a historic moment that united a community and inspired generations. Number 2. Newcastle win the EFL Cup. Newcastle's 2-1 win against Liverpool in the EFL Final Cup ended a 70-year wait for Silver Bear. Led by Callum Wilson and Bruno Guimaraes, this victory reignited the passion of the Toon Army and announced Newcastle's return to the top tier of English football. The celebration spiraled onto the streets of Newcastle, showcasing the deep bond between the club and its supporters. Experts noticed this win could be the start of a new golden era for the Magpies. Number 1. Tottenham's long-awaited European triumph. The season's defining moment was Tottenham's 1-0 UEFA Europa League final over Manchester United. Brennan Johnson's goal ended decades of European heartbreak and sparked celebration across Spurs fans worldwide, a new chapter written in glory. Players spoke about the weight of history finally being lifted, and the manager hailed it as the result of belief and hard work. This victory reignited Tottenham's ambitions on the continental stage and inspired hope for future success. From emerging stars to legendary moments, the 2024-25 season showed why football captivates millions. Which moment stayed with you? Share your thoughts below and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more incredible football stories. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one.